Welcome to the 8 Quanta Library content. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to create a payment report in NetSuite to effectively track both customer and vendor payments. Report for customer payments helps track all payments received from customers, including amounts, dates, methods, and related transactions. On the other hand, Report for vendor payments allows you to track payments made to vendors, including details like payment date, amount, method, and the vendor paid. Let's start by discussing how to create a payment report for customer payments. Go to Reports, find Customer or Receivables. Click AR Payment History by Payment and hit Customize. On the Report Builder page, you'll notice that several default fields are already included. For this video, I'll be adding document number and due date to provide more detailed information in the report. Once everything is set up, enter a title for your report to easily identify it later. This helps keep your custom reports organized and accessible. After entering the report title, simply click Save to finalize and generate your custom payment report. Once the report loads, review it to ensure all details are accurate. Additionally, you can use the date and subsidiary filters to narrow down the results and get a more detailed view based on your reporting needs. Now let's look at how to create a vendor payment report in NetSuite. Go to Reports, Vendor or Payables, AP Payment History by Payment, and click Customize. Once the Report Builder page opens, enter a title for your report at the top. You'll notice that some default fields are already included. For this video, we'll be adding due date and memo to provide additional context for each payment entry. You can add additional fields as needed to customize the report to your preferences. Once all necessary details are in place, click Save to generate your vendor payment report. The same rule applies to this report. You can use the date and subsidiary filters to narrow down the results and generate a more detailed and accurate view of your vendor payments. And that wraps up this video. We hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.